How to delete your Telegram account. Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube, and in today's video I will guide you on how to delete your Telegram account. So to get started, first of all open up your Telegram and then go ahead and click on that menu bar. Upon clicking that, you'll be appear with several options. So what you're gonna do is click on settings and scroll all the way down and click on Telegram FAQ and scroll all the way down until you see your account section. Once you see that, click on delete your Telegram account. Now from this page, click on deactivation page. Now you'll be taken to the deactivation page. So now what you're gonna do is type down your phone number and tap on next. Now you will be receiving your confirmation code on your phone number. It will take a while, like 2 or 3 minutes. Once you received your code, simply tap on sign in. Doing so will successfully help you delete your Telegram account. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.